Hello everybody, it's finally here. It's September. I can't believe it. Finally is Emily's month birthday, and I'm going to be wishing her a very happy birthday. And in her honor, I have prepared Emily's bullet journal theme for her birthday. And I'm starting this month with celebrating with the best wishes. Happy birthday, Emily. We love you very much. And here I have selected a different combination of colors, and my theme here is balloons for the happy birthday theme. And I chose all my stickers that have different colors as well. And on every week I kept the same color scheme using the pinks and the pastel colors. Also, I added the separation between every day of the week by adding these different type of stickers. I also wanted to make sure I added another place here to differentiate that this month of September also has on the last week. The first week begins of October. So I wanted to make sure I could show that there's a change between the week. And here we are. October 1st starts on Thursday. The last page, I am covering the currently reading section, or what I am enjoying or loving that month, and also the TV shows that I'm enjoying the most. I'm going to be writing all of them here. And then on this side, I added another set of balloons to wish Emily best wishes for her birthday again. And as you can see, all I did was use a black Pilot pen G7. And I added my best wishes for Emily to have health, joy, wealth, and prosperity. And finally, my last page this month is basically another opportunity to review what happened in the month of September. Very simple open pages here with space so I can write anything I want to write. So I hope you enjoy this review of my bullet journal for the month of September, and also in recognition of Emily's birthday and all of the fun things we're going to be doing. I will be writing them on this side as well. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy this theme and what other theme you would like to see next month in October. I have a lot of ideas, but I haven't really decided what to do yet. I hope you enjoy this video. Remember to hit like and also subscribe if you haven't done that too. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.